To add Afterpay to your Whop store in 2025, start by logging into your Whop dashboard and navigating to the Payments section. Look for the Payment Gateways option and click on it to view the available payment methods. Scroll down to the Afterpay section and click on the Connect button to start the integration process. You will be redirected to the Afterpay website where you will need to log in to your Afterpay account or create a new one if you do not already have one. Once you are logged in, you will need to authorize Whop to access your Afterpay account. This will allow Whop to process payments through Afterpay on your behalf. After authorizing Whop, you will be redirected back to your Whop dashboard where you can configure the Afterpay settings. Here you can choose which products are eligible for Afterpay and set the minimum and maximum order amounts. To complete the setup, click on the Save Changes button to activate Afterpay as a payment method in your Whop store. Your customers will now be able to select Afterpay as a payment option at checkout. It is essential to test the Afterpay integration to ensure it is working correctly. Place a test order using Afterpay to verify that the payment is processed successfully. By following these steps, you can easily add Afterpay to your Whop store and provide your customers with a convenient and flexible payment option. This will help to increase conversions and improve customer satisfaction. Afterpay provides customers with the option to pay for purchases in installments, making it an attractive option for customers who want to manage their cash flow. By offering Afterpay, you can stay competitive and attract more customers to your store. In conclusion, adding Afterpay to your Whop store is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following this guide, you can quickly and easily integrate Afterpay into your store and start offering your customers more payment options.